Hello, Saucy Squad, and good, very motherfucking early morning. Yo, I laid down, I think that was like 7, and said, I'm just gonna lay here really quick because I'm tired. It's been a long day. So let me just get, let me just take a breather. That was, I think I finally fell asleep like maybe 8, 8:30. I woke up at like 2, like, what time is it? Where am I? And I was like, I'm so tired. I went back to sleep. And now I'm up. I cannot believe I just slept for that long. That's crazy. Now it's time for this. Mm, it's just crazy. I slept for so long. I usually can never do that. It's, somebody needs something or somebody is hungry. But I did me a good one. I fed everybody. And then I said to myself, you know what? I'm going to sit down. I'm going to sit down. I think I deserve to sit down. Okay. Sat down, laid down, and then stayed there. I was like, what? What day is it? What day is it? So, I think I might just start my day, even though it's 5:30. But I'm wired. I'm like not tired. I have some homework to do, so I probably should get to that. Take advantage while there's, no one needing or wanting something. So, yeah. All right, Saucy Squad. So, yeah, very early good morning. And as we can see, my Christmas tree is still up. I plan on not getting rid of it, but I plan on putting it away. I was supposed to do that 2 days ago, but with kids, what are days? What's that? What is a measure of time? What's time? What is that? I don't know. But yes, Saucy Squad, let's go roll this. And I'm gonna see you in a minute. Okay. You gonna roll yours too? Okay, good.